Alright, the repeat stuff. Basically, instead of what we have been doing, instead of playing everything, like when I decided to add in the repeats, instead of playing it all twice, starting over, playing it 3 times, starting over, and then doing it 4 times. For everybody, I just want to see how this goes. I think it'll be beneficial. We're just going to go straight into the 4. So this way we're not spending too much extra time and effort and energy doing it 2, then 3, then 4. We just go straight into the 4. I think that'll be plenty of repetition work doing it like that. Yeah, and most likely you can get higher 4 times repetition, higher speed by doing it just straight into it. So that's really all that is. It's all this different here. Alright, so here we go. Count of 3 with number 1, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, 1, 2, 3. Whoops, almost said 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. For the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Number 2. Alright, 3, 4 again. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three. those eighth notes in view, or the eighth note count, that is. So yeah, these 3 bars establish the rhythm pattern. These 3 bars repeat that rhythm pattern. Here we are ascending for the most part, and descending for the most part. So things to be careful of. You have this note hammering on to that note. So you got those parentheses right there indicating you're not playing anything. That's ringing out from the previous bar. So that is a tie. This is tied right here. So you just got to be careful to not mistake the ties for the slur marks. Okay. 60. Say the whole count before I start playing. Verify if you got it correct or not. And this is another thing. You know, get used to the count. Stop here. So yeah, get used to the count. Make sure that you're doing that well. Get comfortable with that, and then just do the notes by themselves. Get that comfortable. So get comfortable with that without worrying about the rhythm. Just get the notes right. And then when you can count it comfortably and then play the notes comfortably, then you put them all together. Alright, so here are counts, and then I'll start playing. 1 and 3. Okay, actually I'm going to do this a couple ways. So here's the hard way of counting it, which is how it's written. 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4. 1 and 3, 4 and 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4. Done. So yeah, I just reminded myself looking at this. There's another way to count it. You can count it as a 3/4 time signature. So this is a polymeter, same as we've done with the chord strumming and single note picking. So remember, a polymeter is 2 time signatures occurring at once. We obviously have the 4/4, it's right there. Everything's divided up into 4 beats here. However, the rhythm continues to be eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note, again and again and again and again. So 3 beats. The pattern will repeat over and over. So 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. If you count it like that, it's a lot easier to play. So a bit of a cheat, but it makes it easier. So I say it's a smart thing to do. So I'm going to count off 4, and then I'll say the 3/4 count as I'm playing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 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 1 and 3. 120, 1, 2, 200 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, and 4 times through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. All right, any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.